to pain and or hopefully change. So this was based on the observation that if the structure of our organization has always been that the development group is kind of the bottleneck, and then that gets much more efficient and ceases to be kind of the bottleneck. What are the symptoms? What happens? And gosh, what can we do about it? And I don't know that we answered any of those. We had some really great discussions about specific examples when that happened. So one of the stories that got shared was a development group that was running really far ahead of the customer, and that caused a lot of problems. And ultimately what they did was they cut out everything between the customer and the development team and got the customer to actually come there. Luckily it was an internal customer. And there was a lot of pain and agony around that, it sounds like, because lots of folks who thought it was their job to do the translating didn't have anything to do. And another example was, what was the other example? There were several. It was very interesting. We identified a bunch of groups that can become the next bottleneck: user experience, operations, support, the customers themselves, marketing, the decision makers, sales, and then we kind of mapped this little model. Kind of came up, the Satir change model. If folks are interested, and we looked at two of the particular examples we discussed and talked about how there was the status quo. The group adopted Agile practices successfully and became fast, but threw kind of the organization into chaos. And then at some point there was a transformational idea, like, what if we brought the customer to us and then just worked it all out? And then ultimately things reorganized themselves and became a new status quo.